Imagine stepping back more than 400 years in time into the world of the 1600s in the United Kingdom. The streets are narrow and crowded, wooden houses lean over cobblestone roads, and the sound of horse-drawn carts echoes through the busy city. In the heart of London, markets are full of life. Merchants call out to customers, selling bread, vegetables, fabrics, and spices brought from distant lands. The air is filled with voices, movement, and the smell of fresh food. But life here isn't easy. Most people live in small homes with little comfort. Families cook over open fires, and candles provide the only light after sunset. Every day is filled with hard work just to survive.
Outside the cities, the countryside of England looks very different. Quiet villages sit among green fields where farmers spend long days growing crops and caring for animals. Castles and grand manor houses stand tall, showing the wealth and power of the nobility. Inside, lavish feasts and gatherings take place, a sharp contrast to the simple lives of ordinary people. Taverns are popular meeting places where travelers share stories, drink ale, and escape the hardships of daily life. The docks of London are another busy world. Wooden ships arrive from across the seas, bringing new goods, new ideas, and sometimes new dangers. Through modern AI reconstruction, we can now imagine what these streets, homes, and villages might have looked like centuries ago. A world without electricity, cars, or modern technology, yet full of life, struggle, and history. This is a glimpse into the past, the United Kingdom in the 1600s.